Hey guys, how you going? It's Liv here. I hope you're doing well. Today, if you can't already tell by the title or the thumbnail of this film, I'm going to be using the Mecca Max Beauty Queen palette. Now, this palette was launched about a month ago. It literally sold out instantly in all of the Mecca stores, and basically it's come back in stock and then it sold out again, and then I'm pretty sure it's coming back in stock again. But today I wanted to show you what kind of looks you can create with this palette. This palette is $38 and it has 15 shades in it. And quite frankly, when I first saw it, I died. It was one of those palettes and I was like, oh my god, like what's gonna happen with it? What's it gonna look like? And with the marbling effect, it really reminded me of the Hourglass brand and the kind of marbling effect that they do with most of their powders. But alas, not like that. This palette is super pigmented, as you will be able to tell on my eyes when you watch the rest of the tutorial. It can also be used as highlighter and blush, which is what I've gone ahead and done today. And to be honest with you, to be really real with you, these colors don't come out, obviously they don't come out marbled on your like eyeballs, but I'll just to swatch one. So we've got this purpley green one here. First of all, it comes out lilac, and if I just put it on my arm, that's what it looks like. So beautiful and sheen and sheer. I'm really excited to use this for like upcoming videos in the future. But there we have it. I think I mentioned $38 for 15 shades, which you can use for eyeshadow, blush, and highlighter, and it is completely vegan and cruelty-free. So if you want to see me use that. Oh, also, one thing that I was super excited about, look at the size of this mirror that you get with it. I love a palette mirror. I get upset and annoyed if a palette comes with a mirror and it's either like not a mirror, it's like reflective paper, or it just doesn't come with a mirror, because I always use palette mirrors. I think it's really great and easy for a palette to have a mirror when you're traveling, because who wants to pack a mirror when you're traveling when you can just pack your makeup? But yes, the packaging is also really hard plastic, sturdy, and feels really good. So I can't say enough good things about it. So if you want to see how it actually performs, let's roll the VT. Okay guys, so we're just going to get right into it, and today we are going to be using two palettes to create this look and to help the beauty queen shine. So first of all, I'm taking my Born to Run palette, which I did my last video on, and I'm just going to take the color Riff, which is a really beautiful brown transition color, and put it in the crease just above here, as you can probably see. And then I'm just going to do it like all in one take. I'm going to take my thinner blending brush and taking Hell Ride and putting that right in the crease, just so we can like add the little bit of color and it not be like fully blown out. So just setting my eyelid with MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Painterly. So next we are going to go in with our Beauty Queen palette, which I've already shown you guys, and I'm going to take this like cranberry shade just here. It's on the bottom row, and yeah, and just with our finger, and I'm just gonna spray a little bit of water on my finger just so it has some pigment to pick up. So yeah, as you can see, this is a very easy eye look, and I actually really like it. I was looking at it in the mirror for a really long time, and I was like, no, I've decided I like it. Also, check out my breakouts. Isn't that great? Isn't that so fun? Anyway. Okay, so next for the eyes, we are going to go in with our eyeliner, and I'm going to take MAC Teddy, which is so tiny now, like, oh my god, and I need to wait until MAC are reformulating all of their eye koals, so I can't rebuy it until they have done so. But anyway, just taking that on the waterline and the lash line. Okay, so now we're going onto the face, and for, I was just about to say moisturizer, but for foundation, I'm taking my Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay in Soft Bronze. For concealer, I'm taking my Kat Von D in M19 Cool, and my Fenty Beauty Contouring Stick in Bamboo to highlight, conceal through the middle of my face, and for concealer under my eyes. Okay, so to set my under eyes, I'm just taking my... Okay, so to set my under eyes, I am taking my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder and just on my Morphe powder brush. Alright, so next we are going to finish off the under eyes, and what I want to do is I just want to take our smaller blending brush. It is my MAC 224, and I'm just going to take Hell Ride from the Urban Decay Born to Run and just smoke out the lower lash line. We are going to bronze, and I'm taking my MAC bronzer in Matte Bronze. The Mecca Beauty Queen can be used as blush and highlighter as well as eyeshadows. So I'm just gonna dip into this color here. Still see my forehead concealer, but I swear I blended that in. For highlighter, I'm also just going to take these three top rows, these three colors on the top row. Woo! Oh wow, talk about a blinding highlight. I really like that for highlighter. So next step I want to show you guys, as always, is lips. And I'm also going to show you another new Mecca product. So this is the Mecca Cosmetica lip balm. Now for the longest time, Mecca Cosmetica have done lip balms in little jars and they've been super popular, come in like I think 6 different colors. But obviously with it being in a pot can be a little bit like one, unhygienic, and two, like a little bit annoying because then you scoop it out, put it on your lips, and then you have to rub the excess off somewhere. So they have brought out their lip balm formula, exact same formula, but in a stick. And I've had this for a week, I think. I don't know, not that long anyway, and I have already used so much. I just love it. It's like the most, like that's how much I've got left, which is pretty good for a lip balm. I reckon I've used at least like a quarter of that. And I've got the color Nude. It doesn't really give a lot of color, which I think is like a good thing from a lip balm anyway. It's really juicy. It's really hydrating, really moisturizing. It's the first lip balm that I've actually put on, and like an hour or so later after talking, eating and drinking, I can still feel some form of moisture on my lips. And yeah, I mean, I guess this isn't really like a lipstick look with this look, but I think it ties in with the look really well because it's like a nudie, pinky lip. And honestly, I can't recommend this enough. It's great just to have a lip balm in a lipstick form because it's no mess, no fuss, and it's SPF 15 in it. But the next step is to drench my face in some water so everything looks as one again. So I'm going to be using my Mario Badescu Lavender Facial Spray. Next step is mascara, and today I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. Okay guys, so there you have it. That is the finished look using the new Mecca Max Beauty Queen palette. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here and you like this video, please click the subscribe button, as I really appreciate it. So that is all for today's video. I will see you in the next one. All right, bye.